Okay, number one. Duh. I always get to know the person. The whole human being, not just the labels, behaviors, etc. You know? Spend time with the person in places they enjoy, at times of the day that they choose. When you need to intervene with them, let the people know about your concerns and ask for permission to put your 2 cents in. How do you feel when people do that for you? That's how, you know, even my wife has learned. Sometimes I don't want to talk about things. Okay? You know, when I'm ready to talk, then we talk. Now, there are times when, because part of my job is to go and take a look at situations where people have been acting dangerously for themselves or others, and sometimes I have to gather information even when they don't want to talk, and I try to let them know that, you know, I do want to talk with them and I can come back another time, but I'm also going to need to go and talk to other people about what's going on, because we need to make sure that everybody's safe. Okay? This is all about basic respect for the person. And really getting to know the person. Again, not just the labels or behaviors. Again, I tell a story about where I screwed up. And I learned something in the process. Back in the mid-'80s, actually my dissertation was a patient satisfaction survey for a geropsychiatric population, where I was clinical director of a geropsych program. And basically I came up with a survey with 42 yes-no questions that were the best to do, and then you could do some additional comments on it. Well, what I forgot was there were several people in that program who were nonverbal. But several of these nonverbal people answered all 42 questions. Their label said they shouldn't be able to. So I went up to Mary, and it's always going to be Mary, Joe, or John. I went to Mary. I said, Mary, people don't think you can talk, but you answered all the questions. What's going on? She said, they never asked my opinion before. She had been in a hospital, psychiatric hospital, for 30-some years. And somewhere along the way, she got the idea that what she had to say didn't count. So she stopped talking to people. But this young fella comes along. I was young then. and just, started asking her, how does she like the food? Does she like her bedroom? Does she like, the furniture downstairs? What does she like? What does she not like about the place? Asking for her opinion. Made a difference.